Hi everyone, this is my homework. Cinderella is a very nice girl. She lives with the father, her mean stepmother, and darkly stepsisters. Soon, Cinderella's father dies. Her stepmother says to her, "You must clean and do laundry." One day, Lady Thurber at the castle saw her stepmother and stepsisters with beautiful dress and nice shoes. "Take me to the ball too," Cinderella says. Her stepmother spills beans in the fireplace and says, "Pick up all the beans and I will take you there." Birds come and pick the bean. Now all the beans pick up, and she asks, "Please take me to the ball." But the stepmother says, "No, you don't have a beautiful dress, so nice shoes." And the stepmother takes only her stepsister. "Boo-hoo, boo-hoo!" Suddenly, fairy godmother appears. She uses magic corner pumpkin, a mouse, and a lizard. Ring! Fairy godmother waves a wand. A carrier, a house, sender, a driver appear. Cinderella has the beautiful dress and gratitude. Fairy godmother says, "You must come back before midnight." Cinderella goes to ball. The prince sees beautiful Cinderella. "Will you dance with me?" he asks. The prince only dances with Cinderella. Ding ding ding! It's 12 o'clock. Cinderella runs and loses her glass shoe. Then the prince finds the shoe. Survive, look for the glass shoe owner. Finally, they come to Cinderella's shawl. The shawl fits Cinderella's foot. Wow, it fits perfectly. Cinderella wears the glass shoe to the castle. The princess, "Finally, I found you." Cinderella marries the handsome prince. They live happily ever after.